All right, so the folks from the Junior Achievement have big things brewing. Here to tell us what's up, President Alfred Mullins-Aking and Jamaica College student. Did I say Jamaica College? Yeah, Jamaica College student, Dominic Platt. Good morning to you both. Welcome to Smile Jamaica. What are we talking about here, Madam President?
Well, thanks again for having us. This week is National Careers Week and Skills Competition. So around the country, we have a number of events where we're having our students at center stage, showing the skills that they're learning in school, also showing the entrepreneurial skills that they're learning, as well as primary school, not just high school, but primary school, some of the tertiary institutions. And so we're really going to have, well, it's already started, a major event at the National Arena. From Tuesday, today, and tomorrow. It finishes on Thursday, where our students will be on stage. So Dominic here, he goes to Jamaica College.
Yep.
Yesterday, he had his AGM, along with all the other grade 9 students, because entrepreneurship is now taught as a class.
Okay.
And it's our Junior Achievement program that used to be in the after school, that we're rolling out to every grade 9.
So Junior Achievement is schools.
Yeah, mainly schools, but we work with out-of-school youth as well.
Oh, you do?
Yeah. So for this particular, and we have a number of programs. This particular one, the Ministry of Education said, we love how it's done. It's impact learning. The students are learning. It's not just the book.
Yeah.
And so how can we expand it?
Beautiful.
And then USAID, Citibank, JPS, and other partners said, okay, how can we invest in accelerating this transition?
Yeah.
So by 2020, we expect that every school, the grade 9 will have this particular program.
Fantastic. Dominic, you and your team came up with an app.
Yes.
Right? Hasn't been made yet.
No, it's just an idea at this point.
What did you do? What have you come up with?
Well, it's really an organizational app that should help you manage your time effectively, more effectively than we do now, because we find it hardest to manage our time in third form, and really it's for the schoolwork, really.
You find it hard to manage your time?
No, not me. I observe other people not being able to manage their time.
All right, tell me how it works. Tell me what the app would do.
So it is more of a personal spin on a personal assistant. So it tries to get to know you so that it can best organize for you. So hopefully when you open the app, you will be through a questionnaire that will assist the app in getting to know you. And then after that, it will automatically set a schedule based on your...
Is this what we're looking at here? Organizational structure and stuff?
Yeah, that's for his company.
That's you're the Chief Executive Officer, Dominic Platt. You both see?
Yes.
I like it. How many guys in your group?
21.
Why you wanted to do this? Yes, you already said that you saw some other kids, but is this just for students you're talking about? Or?
No, it's not just for students, but it's focused on students because they find it harder to manage time than adults.
Okay, that's it on screen there now, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Personal assistant technology. You hope to earn from this sooner than later?
Yeah, well, sooner, later, whenever, whenever really.
So who will do the app in itself? You said you came up with the idea.
Yeah.
What happens now?
Well, I hope that we can find programmers that can help us develop the app.
Programmers?
Yes.
Yeah. You come in that area, Madam President?
And we do. We have mentors, but this is their business. So they have to do the work in running it. They have raised funds, or yes, they have raised funds already. They have set up their organization structure. They have evaluated their marketplace, and they determine that product. So they're going to be the ones, and if they need assistance, they'll let us know, because they learn about responsibility and how to run a company as well.
I suspect they've already got assistance from you though, right?
Yeah, I mean, it's our curriculum.
Right.
And so all of the grade 9 is doing it. They have 16 companies. Yesterday they had their AGM, and we put in, through our partners, $50,000 per school. So it was like a Shark Tank yesterday, where they were presenting to private sector judges, and then they could have gotten even more money invested in their company.
Okay.
But Dominic's company has already raised $100,000 towards this venture, and some of that is what they're going to use to get, and hopefully they'll get some in-kind from some of their alumni to help them as they build out this product.
What would have some of the other students come up with?
Do you want to share from your school?
Oh, okay. So one group came up with an infrared sensor for blind people, so it would emit a sound, or it would say don't go that way because there's a solid object in front of it.
Yeah.
Then there was another group that invented a shoes cleaner toothbrush with a motor. They said it was a faster way of cleaning your shoes.
Yeah, I suspect that's for the clerks, that's what they use.
Yes, it can use on clerks.
Right.
Yeah.
So one of the things that we're very excited about and why we're happy to partner with World Skills is not just before earlier days of junior achievement, we used to see more of the trinkets being designed, which is still good because they're still learning business.
Belts and stuff.
Right. But now they're learning higher skills. And our students, because they have access to so much technology, are looking at how do I use technology and produce from it, not just consume.
Yeah.
So we're very excited about this transition. And we're seeing that at schools around the country. And we're really just inviting students out to see them in action and to see higher skills being performed.
Yeah.
Yes,
Dominic, the fact that you're the chief executive officer would suggest that you didn't do anything. You just kind of pointed to everybody and say, you do that, you do this, you do that. No.
No.
No?
No.
What was your role in
I
it?
take a more hands-on approach
Okay, there you
as the
go.
leader.
You're a different kind of chief executive officer, but
Yes.
in a serious way, what was your direct involvement?
Well, I came up with the main concept.
Okay.
And the presentation yesterday, I designed it with the help of my colleagues. So
Fantastic.
So they had a PowerPoint presentation and they had to pitch. But those are the things that could, some of the questions I heard being asked was just phenomenal because our judges did not let up on them. They're asking about capital investment, what's your long-term vision.
How did they do?
I think they did quite well.
Brilliant.
And the principal was there for the entire day and he said he's very excited about it. And he said, you know, when a principal's engaged, the entire school is engaged.
And obviously he's quite an articulate young man. What's your favorite subject?
English literature.
English literature?
Yes.
Oh, you read?
No, I really prefer the writing part.
Okay.
But I read.
What you want to be when you get there?
Well, it's between scientist, businessman, or writer. So let's see which one pans out first.
Which one do you think, if you had
Which
to
one
do
you
it
lean
right
into?
now, which one do you think you'd jump at?
Business at the moment.
Business. You
Yeah.
want to make some money.
Yeah.
Great to meet you.
Great to meet
Brilliant
you
what
as well.
you've done. I hope it works the way that you want it to work, and I hope we'll see you another time. You could come back and show it to us and tell us exactly how it does work. Great to meet you.
I
Good
hope
to see
that
you.
too.
Thank you. So if we could invite everyone to the arena. It's free to come in to
What
see
time?
the students. It's from 9 to 5.
Today?
And tomorrow.
Okay.
They can come in and just
What exactly is
showcase.
it?
So at the arena downstairs, you're going to see about 22 different skills being performed.
And these are from students?
These are from students, mainly tertiary institutions, but also some high school
Okay,
and
great.
Hart as well.
Beautiful.
And then on Thursday, you're going to see Dominique and his teams in the different booths from around the country and some of our grade 5 students from
Fantastic.
Biztown as well.
Great to meet you, son.
Great to meet you as well.
Good to see you, President.
Thank you.
She's the President of Junior Achievement, Alpha Mullins-Aking, and Jamaica College student, outstanding student, Dominic Platt, who will sing for Lena, it says. We find out after the break. Empress has that interview. Stay with us, please. Soon come.